So see the first question. An element X having atomic mass 60 has density of 6.23 gram per centimeter cube. If the length of the unit cell is 400 picometer, identify the type of cubic unit cell. Also calculate the radius of the atom. See here in this question, atomic mass of the element is given, density is also given, as length of the unit cell is 400 picometer, and here we have to find out the nature of the unit cell or the type of cubical unit cell, that is we have to calculate the value of Z, and after that we have to calculate the value of, that is the radius of atom also. After finding out the nature of unit cell, we can easily calculate the radius of atom. See here the formula of density is equal to Z into m upon n into a cube gram per centimeter cube. So the value of Z is equal to rho into n into a cube upon m. Put the value of rho density 6.23 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is value of Avogadro's number. And as length is 400 picometer, so convert it into centimeter, so it becomes 400 cube into 10 power minus 30, means 10 power minus 10 ka cube. So this becomes 10 power minus 30. So after solving, the value of Z comes out to be 4. Hence we can say that the nature of the unit cell is FCC. So this is FCC crystal lattice. Now we know that for FCC, radius is equal to S length upon 2 root 2. This we have calculated earlier. So put the value of S length 400 and the 400 upon 2 root 2, and this becomes 141.4 picometer. Next question. Chromium metal crystallizes with a BCC lattice. The length of the unit cell is found to be 287 picometer. Calculate the atomic radius. What would be the density in gram per centimeter cube? See in the question, here the chromium crystallizes in BCC lattice. So the BCC lattice means the value of Z is equal to 2. As length is given 287 picometer. Here we have to calculate the atomic radius and the density of the unit cell. So we know that here BCC, for BCC, value of R, that is radius of atom, is equal to root 3 upon 4a. So value of root 3 upon 4, this is equal to 0.433, and the value of S length is 287. So it comes out to be 124.27 picometer, and after converting to centimeter, it becomes 124.27 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Now we have the value of S length here. Then calculate the value of density. Put the value of Z as 2 because it is BCC unit cell. Molar mass of the atom, that is chromium, is 51.99. It will be given in your exam. Avogadro's number 6.0223 into 10 power 23, and S length, it is 287, converted into centimeters, so it becomes 287 into 10 power minus 10 cube. So it comes out to be 7.32 gram per centimeter cube. Next, an element crystallizes in a BCC lattice with cell S of 500 picometer. The density of the element is 7.5 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 300 gram of the element? See here in this question we have to calculate the number of atoms present in 300 gram of the element. It means that in this question, first of all, we have to find out the atomic mass of the element. So atomic mass of the element, that is capital M, is equal to rho density into a cube into n upon Z. So put the value of density as length, Avogadro's number in Z. The value comes out to be 282.3 gram per mole. So this is the atomic mass of the element. Now we know that atomic mass of any element is equal to 1 mole. That is, it contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. So we can say that 282.3 gram contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms, that is equal to 1 mole. So 300 gram of this particular element contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 upon 282.3 into 300, and this is equal to 6.4 into 10 power 23 atoms. So these are some numericals. Now I am giving you some home assignment. Solve it and ask your problems. Thank you very much.